Do everything you can. We need 300 subscribers. I need a new mic. Wait, I need to redo my intro. Buongiorno! Welcome back to my channel. My mic is very bad, so please make sure to subscribe so that I can buy a better mic. I'm using Apple earpods. Yeah, please help. Anyway, my name Chen. We are playing Papa's restaurant games. You already know how it goes. We either pick or make our own character. With no wasting time, let's take Tony for today. Oh, actually, let's take Scooter. She has a nice hat. Right. Sky Ninja. So this shop is located in a amusement park, I guess. Ooh, she flies. She fly. Her outfit goes crazy. So Sky Ninja, place to be. Yo, I like his costume as well. 3, 2, 1, where we going? Ka-chunk. It's broken. Go from? Oh, here. Put. Then the second also needs regular dough. Okay. And the last also needs regular dough. Why? Like, bruh. You think I'm stupid? This first donut is a traditional ring shape. Okay. Traditional shape. Beautiful. It was not centered, but anyway, we don't care. The second donut. Wait, what? The second donut is round. No hole in the middle. Wait, a donut without a hole? Hold on. Nah. Donuts without a hole? Am I living on a rock or something? Anyway, the third donut is a ring again. Use a ring cutter on the last level. Okay, let's go. Boom. Beautiful. Oh, we're frying those donuts. We do be frying. Ooh. Sizzling. It's sizzling. Diabetes come my way. Woo! Okay, actually I'm joking. Please don't not come my way. I don't want no diabetes. I don't want no trouble with no any health issue. Please stay away. But donuts once in a while would not make any problem. You know, wouldn't be any problem. It's time to flip. All right, how do I flip? Oh, ooh. They are brown. Like it's not the golden brown. Yo, I've been talking too much. Wait until the donuts are fried. Oh, wait. I couldn't even read what it was saying. Yo. Bell station. Here we go. All of your fried donuts are waiting on the shelf to be used with orders. Drag the 3 donuts ordered onto the bell tray below. Boom. Vraiment beautiful. By the way, sometimes I'm mixing languages. You know why? I don't know. Let's be an original YouTuber, you know. I've never seen a YouTuber talk different languages, so I'm gonna try to mix some different languages. Anyway, chocolate donuts. It's not my favorite. What is this? Clear glaze. It's alright. And powdered sugar. Out of those 3, I would go for the last one. It donut has to have a hole. So, and I don't like chocolate that much, so it's the last one for me. Right. Strawberry. Chocolate with strawberry. Beautiful. Not very beautiful here at the end, but rainbow. Rainbow. This first donut is literally me being a kid. Please, I want some chocolate. I want rainbow. I want everything you got. Alright, what is this? Let me make a face. Oh no, it's not a face. Wait, I want to make a face first. Drag the chocolate chips, but I want to make a face first. No, okay, never mind. All these, oh, I don't like these donuts. I don't like them. I don't like them. This customer has a bad taste. Wait, wait a second. I need to check my audio, man, before I'm talking without King. I like his play style. All right, chocolate. Uh, I don't know, no flavor, I guess. No. Oh my God, why am I so stupid sometimes? Chocolate, no chocolate, and chocolate. Okay, we go. We pass. Oh no. Yeah, no, that's right. Okay, beautiful. I need to go fast. Fast. Okay. Oh, we got a new order. Fast. We are speed running this game. My brain was not brain. Oh no. Okay, no, never mind. For a second I thought we burned our donuts. But that's not true. That's not true whatsoever. Donut without a hole. Donut with a hole. Oh no. Yeah. I kinda messing it up. I need to focus more. The brain power has to be better. We need to be smarter. We need to be faster. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hala Madrid! No? Come on, bros. Come on, man. 1, 2, 3. Hala Madrid! Yay! Why can't I just click on it and it will go to its spots? I need to drag it. Why to make it so difficult for me? For no reason, you make it very difficult for me. Oh no, what's happening? I'm messing up the orders. Oh no. Oh wait. Yo, I need to focus for a second, man. I need to focus. Let me finish order one. Let me finish this one. So we need chocolate. We need strawberry. No. We need strawberry. Okay. Then we need this. Excuse me. We need sprinkles for the middle one. Oh, we just made the most classical donut right in the middle. Then we need filling. Oh, we forgot to put the filling inside. Oh my God, I'm bad at this game. We forgot to put the filling in the first donut. The customer's not gonna be happy. Let me make it hard. Oh, never mind. No. I need one of these. Right. The last one needs filling. Beautiful. The first one needs chocolate dip. The second one needs strawberry dip. The third one needs strawberry dip. I kind of like the last one. The last third one. Strawberry. Full strawberry. Then strawberry syrup. Beautiful. Ooh, almost a full circle. Sprinkles. Oh, why can't we make a full circle each time? I need to go faster. Then this. Let me make a full circle this time. Oh, yes. We made it. And in the middle, let's put some chocolate chips. Ooh, look at this beautiful spiral. Okay, I got it. Let me give you the best 95 points. I might open up a real Donuteria in real life. Oh, no, let me put it in order again. Order. So don't mess it up. Powder. Chocolate. Strawberry. No! But why does it keep doing? Oh my god. Next time I'm really just first gonna do the filling because it doesn't make sense. I don't even get the chance to put my filling and it goes to the next station. You know what? I'm not happy. I'm gonna make an ugly donut. Take this. Take this. I don't care. Take this. I'm not gonna spread the sprinkles. I'm not gonna spread any. Maggie. I take it. We have to do it in speedrun edition. Oh, the sheriff is waiting. Sheriff, I got the best donuts for you. I'm saving them for you. Only because you need some donuts. Right. Donut, donut, and donut. Fry them. The sheriff is the last customer. Ah. We're almost there. Now go faster. Nice. Go faster. Come on, bruh. It's not that difficult. Ready, ready, ready. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Okay, no one wants filling. So I'm not getting full this time. What actually is funny about the dip, when you dip, the donut like moves, it jiggles around so that you don't get the perfect dip. So I need to stay steady and dip. Stay steady and dip. It's kind of genius. I would not have thought about that. Right. Okay, we're ready for the last customer. Give it to him. Serve it. What you mean 55 points, Sheriff? 30 bucks. Whoa. He's using his power to pay less. Get out of here. You're not welcome in my store. Get out of here. We don't want Sheriff Hunk in our Donuteria anymore. He's banned from the store. Banned IRL. Banned IRL. Day 3. We were slacking as well. I'm not gonna lie. I was messing up some orders. But let me come back. Epic comeback at day 4. Day 4 it is. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Right. Can she walk any more slower? Thank you. What you want? Tell me what you want. What you want? Tell me what you want. Wah 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 wah. Wah 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 wah. Wah 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 wah. This type of donut I don't allow in my store. But anyway, I would not allow this type of donut in my store. What is this? It's not even a donut anymore. It's just a bread stick. It's baguette. We are making baguettes now in my donut store. Franco. Thank you. Thank you for the order, Franco. He wants chocolate, he wants vanilla, he wants chocolate. Make it flat, put some mold, like not mold, like, you know what I mean, mold. Put this, oh no, put the shape on it, fried him, and okay. We are waiting on the donuts to be finished, fried, and ready to serve. Nobody asked for a no customer has yet asked me for a just regular donut without any glaze and flip any glaze or filling. New customer. James, you know what I'm about to say. LeBron James. LeBron James in the building. Make some noise for LeBron James. We love LeBron James. LeBron James. LeBron. Okay, my donuts are ready to be taken out in any minute. Let's count from 5 to 4. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready for takeoff. Come on, go faster. Why does it take so long? Almost. Yeah, no. Not yet. Yes. You can see when they are finished if it's a full orange circle. If you didn't know, now you know. Now you know. If you know, you know. Don't forget to put the filling first. It's a big mistake that I have done multiple times. Put the